Hey all, this is not something that you see very often these days. This is a component video switcher I got from AliExpress. I've been getting more and more into my retro games, and I got some component cables for my Wii and PlayStation 2. So we'll take a quick look at this. This is a 3-port component video switcher ordered from AliExpress. And yeah, it's made of metal. It's quite heavy. And yeah, so there is 3 ins there, and there is 1 out, and you can use the green for RCA. So I'm going to use probably 1 and 2 for the PS2 and Wii, and 3 for composite video using a RCA cable. With the yellow will go into the green, and that should just work with my retro scaler. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, and we'll give it a plug in. Of course, I also got some component cables, and I've got these PlayStation ones and these Wii ones, which we will take a look at, probably more in depth in separate videos, but we'll plug it all up and take a look. Okay, so we have the switcher hooked up to the TV, and obviously 1 is the Wii, just like that. You press 2, it goes to the PlayStation, and we press 3, it's going to go to our composite, but it is black and white because we're using a retro scaler, and then you have to change the retro scaler input to be, well, back to composite, but it is using the green port on the retro scaler. So yeah, that's that, and we'll take one quick close look at it. Okay, and that pretty much wraps up the video. Again, it is quite a nice box. It's made of metal. If you're interested in where you can get one, there's a link to where you can find it on AliExpress. And do be sure to check out some of my other videos around here. Like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.